welcome back to this episode of the Dredge project. And as I said in the previous video, I wanted to use some aluminium tubes, square tubes that came from an old tent that was for a caravan. The owner decided to give it away for free. So that's perfect to use on this project. I have never been building dredges before, so this is my first time. And if you have any suggestion, just comment. It would mean a lot to me if you had any smart ideas. So my ideas is maybe not that smart, but anyway, I have done some working on this frame for a couple of hours, and this is what I came up with. Don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we will see. So this aluminium tube here, the aluminium tubings is 30 millimeter by 30 millimeter, and the joints or connectors I have used is galvanized, and that's also from the tent frame. So this is adjustable, and this one you can slide right out, so you can, and this is also adjustable, and also the frame for the sluice, so you can disconnect the two pontoons. This is for the flare, and I'm gonna connect some aluminium tubings so the flare is adjustable up and down. Really don't know if that's necessary, but anyway. And the frame for the engine is also adjustable back and forth. This is a little bit loose now, but it's gonna be solid when I'm finished with this project. And also it's adjustable up and down, and I can have aluminium tubings that are, you can adjust it, but that's not necessary. I think this is quite good. So you can adjust it a couple of centimeters up and down. One thing I'm not sure about is the frame for the sluice. Because the frame for the sluice is also adjustable up and down like this. So now for the question, how do you adjust the sluice? Because those are not bolted yet, the frames for the sluice. So I come up with an idea. If I drill holes, different holes, so I can adjust the frames, or if the sluice is just to be adjusted in the frame, it's maybe not necessary to do lots of holes just to adjust the frame. And of course I have the engine here, and that's a thing that I don't know how to Is that the best way to mount the engine? Or maybe or maybe like that. That's a $1 million question for me. No, to be honest, I really don't know how it will perform if you have it like that or the other way. So this is the project, and if you want to give me some suggestions or ideas, please comment.